You're posting client photos every day, but you're not getting any new bookings. I want to teach you today exactly how to get more clients through your social media profile. There's some really good gems in here, so I suggest you stay to the end. Number one, create quality content. You don't want to sit here and have poor lighting. People really can't see your work. We want to be able to see things clearly, so I suggest investing in a really good light. Those little phone lights that you can put on top of your phone as you're doing your videos. I know you've seen them. They're all over TikTok and Instagram. Get one of those lights. I believe it's $40. It is worth your investment. Lighting is everything when it comes to content because it really brightens up what you're showcasing. On top of a quality light, you do also need a quality tripod. Still video is so much better than shaky video with your hands. You can see the transformation in people's quality work. Let's say hairstylists or nail techs, when they're moving the camera, you can tell that it's somebody holding the phone. But if you have a tripod that's nice and still, you can move the hands in different directions and it just makes for such a good reel. Also, you don't need an expensive camera. Your iPhone is more than enough. Like I said, you use that light, you use that tripod, you put your camera on the highest setting. Actually, I'll show you. So that's gonna be 4K at 60 frames per second, and I'm gonna show you here how to do it because if it's not on that, it's not the best quality for uploading. So just make sure that your camera settings are on point. The back of your camera is clean. Please wipe it and you'll be good to go. Also make sure that you're not using any filters on your content. Film everything in the camera app, and then when you're ready to edit, you're gonna go ahead and go into whatever app you wanna post on, whether that's Instagram or TikTok, and you're gonna edit in that app. That's gonna make sure that your content stays at the highest quality. That way viewers can see things at the best that they can possibly be. Also make sure that all of your videos are 20 seconds or less. It just makes it easier for the editing process. You can also go a step further, and every time you make a video for a certain reel or TikTok, you can put that into a separate folder on your camera or your photos app, and that way when you go to edit, everything is super organized and you can just go in and edit exactly what you want. Now this tip is T. Every time you make a reel or a TikTok, ask yourself these 3 questions. The first one is this post going to speak to my ideal client? The second is, does it add value? So adding value, examples of value is, does it teach someone something? Does it entertain someone? Or does it inspire somebody to do something? Last but not least, number 3 is it shareable? Are people gonna see your content and wanna share it to their friends? Like, hey girl, did you see how this person does nails, or did you see how this person does lashes? I'm gonna go ahead and send it to her because I think her work is bomb and I think you should see it too. If you don't answer yes to these 3 questions, make your Instagram or TikTok reel over because it's not serving the purpose for you to be able to grow. I'm asking you to schedule model days. Take people for free, do their hair, their nails, their lashes, their skincare for free, and use it as content days. So in exchange for a service, you're getting content. So you can have somebody help you film, you can have somebody come in. I recommend scheduling these once a month. That way you can create enough content to get you through, and you're not trying to take pictures and take photos between every client, and people are rushing, people have places to be. This way you have somebody in your seat that is willing to take photos and you have good quality content. This tip is my favorite one of them all. Basically, believe that you can. Believe that your content is good enough. Believe that you are worthy of being on social media and showing your work, and that people will come to you because you are bomb at what you do. That makes a whole difference in people. Just the believability of just knowing that you're worthy, people feeling that confidence through the phone. That's what gets people to book, because you're confident in your work and you know that you do good work, and then you showcase it really well through the quality that you give. Chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. Last but not least is take intentional steps forward every single day. So that means work on your craft every day. Work on your editing every day. Just make sure that you are putting your whole heart into this, because this is your business. This is your portfolio for your livelihood. So if you don't put the effort into it, what point does it make? What good does it do, I should say? Your Instagram or your TikTok is your portfolio. That is your book of business. That is your business card. I'm wishing you fully booked, booming reels, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.